x square plus y square is equals to 27xy, then show that log of x minus y by 5 equals to 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. In fact, this is a very routine question, but if you see the RHS, so we need to simplify the RHS. Let us simplify the RHS first of all to solve the question easily. What is our RHS? Log of x minus y. It is x. If log of x by y, I can write log of x minus log of y. Similarly, minus log of phi, which is equals to this 1 by 2. When transferred to this side, it becomes 2 of this complete 2 is this for this 2 logarithms. Next, log x plus log y, which is implies 2 log of x minus y minus 2 log of phi equals to log x plus log y. Let me take the one more step. Log of x minus y whole square equals to log of x plus log of y. This 2 log phi, I can write phi square. Then this minus becomes plus when transferred to this side, plus log phi square. What is the log phi square? This whole I can write log of 25xy, log of x minus y whole square. So there is no need to solve up to here. You see, what do you understand? It is x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square. Here only you can understand x minus y whole square. That is because when 2 is transferred to this side, again using logarithm formula, you will get the okay. So x minus y whole square you need to get here, x square plus y square. Okay. What is a square minus b square formula? A square minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to a minus b whole square. So just adding minus 2xy on the both side, adding minus 2xy on the both side. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS here? X square plus y square equals to 27xy. Adding minus 2xy on the both sides, which is implies x square plus y square minus 2xy equals to 27xy minus 2xy, which is implies a square plus b square minus 2ab, meaning x minus y whole square, which is equals to 27xy minus 2xy, 25xy. Okay. Now taking logarithm on the both sides, so which implies log of x minus y whole square is equals to log of 25x into y. Using logarithm formulas, I will write 2 of log of x minus y equals to log of 25 plus log of x plus log of y. What is the formula used here? The first formula is log base a to x to the power of n. Here this power can be write into n of log base a to x. One more formula, this is log base a to x into y can be write log of base a to x plus log base a to y. I use these two formulas here. Okay. Next, 2 of log x minus y, which is equals to 25, I can write 5 square plus log x plus log y, which is equals to 2 of log x minus y equals to 2 of log 5 plus log x plus log y. Now transport this is to this side, then I can write 2 of log x minus y minus of 2 log 5 equals to log x plus log y. Okay. Now the last step is two log of x minus y, take out 2 common, totally 2 common. Okay. Minus log 5, which is equals to log x plus log y. Now using this formula, division log of x by y log of x minus log of y, of course base a. Using this formula, I will modify this 2 of log of x minus y by 5, this, which is equals to log x plus log y. Furtherly, if I transfer to this side, log of x minus y by 5 equals to 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, which is equals to RHS. The question is, if 4x square plus 9y square equals to 13xy, then show that 2 of log 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So if you see the RHS, 2 of 2x plus 3y, if you modify the next step for this, log of 2x plus 3y whole square, meaning you need to make this as a plus b whole square. So this has to be in the form of a plus b whole square. How is it possible? Simply by adding 2ab on the both sides. Okay, first of all, what is a, what is b? Let us solve the question now. Okay. let us see question. LHS, taking LHS, 4x square plus 9y square equals to 13x into y. 4x square I will write 2x whole square, 9y square I will write 3y whole square, which equals to 13x into 5, a square plus b square. Okay, now I told you we need to add 2ab on the both side. What is a? 2x. What is the b? 3y. Now 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2x 2ab. Yes, we need to add 2ab. So 2 of 2x 3y, which equals to 13xy plus 2 of 2x 3y. Next step is, it is like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square, which is equals to 13xy plus, it is how much? 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12xy. So if you add sum, this is 25xy. Okay, so directly it is 25x into y. So taking log on the both side, which is implies log of 2x plus 3y whole square equals to log of 25x into y. Okay, now using the formula, two formulas again which are similar to previous. What is the first formula? Log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. First formula. Second formula is log of base a to x into y can be write log base a to x plus log base a to y. I am using these two formulas to evaluate furtherly. So using this formula, I will write this as 2 of log 2x plus 3y, which is equals to log of 25. Using this formula, is completely product. I will write this as sum of log x plus log y. 25 I will write 5 square, which is implies 2 of log 2x plus 3y, which is equals to log of 5 square plus log x plus log y. Again using this formula, log base a to x to the power of n, I can write n of log base a to x. Similarly, log 5 square I will write 2 into log 5. So last step is 2 of log 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 2 into log 5 plus log x plus log y. So which is equals to RHS.